flat spin. Rotating once, twice, 3 times. The water screaming up against her canopy. There's 4, 5. She's on 6, 7, 8. Altitude's getting low, Melissa. Come on, let's pull it out. Lower the nose. Pull that stick back. There we go. Stop the running to stop the rotation. And now she will scream right down towards the shoreline. Pitch off to the right side of the formation, showing you that beautiful pink skim on the bottom of that airplane. Looking gorgeous in the skies of California. Watch, using all the horsepower. She'll shoulder roll on that vertical climb. Higher, higher. Kicking it over on top once again, almost like it's out of control. She is making that airplane do exactly what she wants to do. Now watch as she comes back in. Call this inside and outside with a tumble on top. She'll roll inverted, or not. Pull up. Eyes the vertical up onto the top. Watch as we're going to snap roll not once. There's left, right, roll it over. End over end, shoulder. Now stop it and push through negative G. 3, 4, 5 times the force of gravity, trying to shove her on the top of the cockpit of that beautiful airplane. Oh, but that's nothing. We're going straight up, clear over to the right. Watch though, as she gets at the top of this column of wide smoking power, she'll hang the airplane. Hammerhead turn around the right wingtip. And now, knife edge on the 45. Give a series of hesitation rolls. Oh, look at this girl fly. Push the big machine one more time. Off the shoulder left. Everybody at the yacht club say hello. She'll make it straight high above the crowd. Right rudder, left rudder, fish tailing around, little CP Festival tribute, tumbling it down 1, 20,